and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I'm filming a real casual video. I was recently requested to do another skin update, so I'm going to do that for you today. So yeah, we're keeping it. I'm really sorry if there's a lot of noise. I have the window open. It's a super casual video because I'm trying to stick to my 3 videos a week schedule, and it's Friday already and I don't have a video up today, so I need to do something, and I'm going to try not to edit this and blah blah blah. Let's get into it. So skin update. I had my brachioplasty and abdominoplasty over 2 years ago now. It's been 2.5 years, and I want to point this out because some of the people come to my videos and they're new, they've never seen me talk about this before. I did get pregnant after I had my abdominoplasty and brachioplasty. It wasn't a planned pregnancy, but it wasn't an accident either. I was told I was infertile at a young age, so my husband and I actually had been trying for a really long time to have a baby, and it was about 3 years, and miraculously, that's not a word, by a miracle we had a baby. About 9 months after I had my surgery, I got pregnant. So I did have a baby growing inside of me when I had that really tight abdominoplasty skin, and it was a bad experience. I will link all of my videos talking about it. It was just really painful. So yeah, I will link those in the cards if you are interested in hearing about my experience with that. So otherwise, we're going to talk about my scars today. Please keep in mind I do still have baby weight on me. I did have my baby a year ago, but I do still have about 25 extra pounds, and when I was pregnant my arms got bigger. I tend to retain weight the most in my arms and my legs. So when I gain weight, it doesn't go like directly to my stomach like a lot of people, it goes straight to my arms. And that's always been a problem for me, which is why I had the brachioplasty, because when I lost the weight, a lot of it came out of my arms. So I'm going to show you the scars today. I want to point out they always look way worse on camera than they do in person. This looks really nice in person. You could barely see this part of the scar at all. But I do have those red marks here. Again, for anyone who's new, these are areas that my scars opened up after the surgery because the surgeon picked my scars, and the the stitches fell out because I had an allergic reaction to them, and then because she picked the scars, the sutures had nothing to like stick to. They didn't have the scar anymore or that tissue to stick to, so they just fell out. And I have them on my right arm as well. You can see my armpit is a little rough, and then I've got some here. But overall, the scars look really, really good after 2.5 years. What I've been doing for them is Mederma. I use the intensive Mederma night cream still. I also use bio oil and massage my scars every once in a while. Not as often as I should, but yeah. I lotion every day. So it does get moisturized. I have not tried anything. I did recently order a micro needling kit, so I've heard from some people that that's really amazing. I've also used rosehip oil on them, and then someone else recently recommended something, and I was going to check it out. It's in the comments section in my last video, so I need to write down what it was, but I'm going to try that out too because she said that it really worked for one of her friends, so for scarring, so I'm going to check that out as well. The stomach scar, I'm not going to show you guys today because I have that baby belly, but that's really good looking. I don't mind the stomach scar. You can't see it anyway because underwear completely cover my scar, so even if I were to wear like a swimsuit, it would totally cover it. So I don't really care about that scar at all. I haven't really done much to it. I haven't been putting the Mederma on it regularly or massaging it because it doesn't matter. No one sees it. So yeah, that is my skin update. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. Anyone who wanted to just know how they look after 2.5 years. I think they're pretty darn good, considering all of the struggles that I went through. Again, I'll link those videos. But I had a rough recovery, lots of painful open wounds and stuff like that, so they actually look pretty good for what I went through. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.